Hi, I'm Mandeep Singh, CEO and founder of Mandeeps.com and Vanjaro. Thank you so much for joining me in this series of preview videos of Vanjaro, where we're releasing a new preview video every day until DNN Summit 2020. So let's get started. When building Vanjaro, our mission was to create an enterprise-level CMS that is extremely easy to use. In a previous video, we looked at how we can reuse content by creating custom blocks. You can simply give a name, category, HTML, and CSS, and then your block is now available to be used on any page. So you basically write once and reuse everywhere you like on the page. What would be an easier way to create custom blocks than writing HTML? Well, we do it using drag and drop. So for today's video, we're going to see how we can create custom blocks using drag and drop. What I have down here is a section that I have styled using the styling tab. We'll cover the styling tab in a separate video, but basically all I've done is give it a background color of white and made some rounded corners. If you can see, there's some rounded corners going around. Then inside the section, I dragged the icon, a heading, and some text, kind of mimicking what I have up here. Now, what's really interesting is if you click on a section, you have this new option, which is called Save as Block. And it automatically comes up with the HTML for you. So all I have to do is call it an icon box, and I will give it a category. Let's call it boxes. I'm going to hit update. And now if I go to my blocks, I have a new boxes section, which can be collapsed. And I have my icon box right here, which I can drag and put in the next column. And now I can reuse this as many times as I like. Well, it gets better. Now that I have these three icon boxes, I can always go to this section, save that as block, and I can call this 3 icon boxes, or whatever name you want. I can put that again into the boxes section and let it update. Let's go back down here, and I can grab it, put it right here, and there it is. So super cool. Similarly, if they have something else, for example, this one right here, I can go ahead and do save as block, give it a name. I'll call this, let's say services. That's a section already. Let's give it a new category called sections, hit update. And if I go to my icon blocks, if I go to my blocks and in sections, I see services, and I can drag this now anywhere. And I have a new section called services. So this is super, super, super cool to reuse content. Now, this Save as block option appears only on section and on a grid. So you're free to create your components within a grid or in a section and then create boxes out of them. Super cool. So we can then create pages using these. It's super cool to go ahead and just drag a header and put in the top, and drag a footer and put in the bottom, and all the content, and build your pages on the fly. Well, it gets better. Once you've built your page, you can then go ahead and save the page as well, so you can reuse the content there. And for that, you simply go to pages, you can click on any page, and simply click on save page as layout. So let me do a quick example. Here I'm going to go ahead and do save page as layout. And once you do that, you get to choose a pretty cool looking icon for it. So see if there's an icon that matches pet. Well, it doesn't. So how about something with medical in it? There you go. I'll go ahead and choose this as my icon. And we'll give it a name. So I'm just going to call this my, we'll just call it test. But you can give it any name you like and hit update. And a layout is now created successfully. So the next time you go on to create a new page, your layout is right there. You simply choose that and give it a name. I'm going to call this my brand new page and hit update. And your brand new page is now created, and I can navigate to it just by clicking here with all the content that we saved as that page layout. How cool is that? Now you can always go ahead and edit any of these boxes manually if you need to. You can always edit them visually and then save again, or you can always get rid of them from the delete icon here, and that same goes for your layout. So if I go to create a new page, and if I want to get rid of layout, I simply click here and say delete and get rid of it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, so be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social networks. head over to Vanjaro.com and join the conversation. Let us know what you think about Vanjaro.